The Whirlpool Galaxy, a cosmic wonder of stars, myths, and science-like, and subscribe, please, thank you. Welcome, curious minds, to an extraordinary journey through the Whirlpool Galaxy. This book is your guide to one of the most fascinating objects in the universe. We'll explore its scientific wonders, the myths and legends it has inspired, and the incredible discoveries that have shaped our understanding of this cosmic whirlpool. Let's embark on this adventure together. What is the Whirlpool Galaxy? The Whirlpool Galaxy, also known as Messier 51 or NGC 5194, is a grand design spiral galaxy located approximately 23 million light-years away in the constellation Canes Veneti. It is one of the most iconic and well-studied galaxies in the night sky, famous for its perfect spiral structure and its interaction with a smaller companion galaxy, NGC Kalimaribu, Ceratus Sambilan. The Whirlpool Galaxy spans about 76,000 light-years in diameter, making it slightly smaller than our Milky Way. Its spiral arms are filled with bright, young stars, glowing gas clouds, and dark dust lanes. These features make it a favorite target for both professional astronomers and amateurs. The discovery of the Whirlpool Galaxy. The Whirlpool Galaxy was first discovered on October 13, 1773, by the French astronomer Charles Messier. Messier was hunting for comets, but kept encountering fuzzy objects that weren't comets. To avoid confusion, he compiled a list of these objects, known as the Messier Catalogue. The Whirlpool Galaxy became the 51st entry, earning its name, Messier 51. In 1845, the Irish astronomer William Parsons, the 3rd Earl of Ross, used his massive 72-inch reflecting telescope, called the Leviathan of Parsonstown, to observe the Whirlpool Galaxy. He was the first to describe its spiral structure, calling it a spiral nebula. At the time, astronomers didn't know that galaxies were separate from our Milky Way. It wasn't until the 1920s that Edwin Hubble proved that galaxies like the Whirlpool were independent island universes far beyond our own. The Whirlpool Galaxy and its companion. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Whirlpool Galaxy is its interaction with its smaller companion, NGC Kalimaribu Ceratus Sambilan. This dwarf galaxy is thought to have passed close to the Whirlpool Galaxy hundreds of millions of years ago, creating gravitational disturbances that shaped its spiral arms. The interaction between the two galaxies has triggered waves of star formation, especially in the Whirlpool's spiral arms. Bright pink regions in the arms are H2 regions, where new stars are being born from collapsing clouds of gas and dust. The gravitational dance between the Whirlpool Galaxy and NGC 5195 is a stunning example of how galaxies evolve over time. Myths and legends inspired by the Whirlpool Galaxy. While the Whirlpool Galaxy itself is too faint to be seen with the naked eye, its spiral shape has inspired myths and legends across cultures. Many ancient civilizations saw swirling patterns in the night sky and wove them into their stories. The celestial whirlpool. In ancient Greek mythology, the cosmos was often depicted as a swirling chaos. Some scholars believe that the Whirlpool Galaxy, a spiral shape, might have inspired tales of cosmic whirlpools, or vortices, representing the birth and death of stars. The Navajo universe. The Navajo people of North America have a creation story that describes the universe as a swirling, spiraling motion. They believe that the cosmos began with a great whirlwind, which spun stars, planets, and life into existence. The Whirlpool Galaxy's spiral arms might remind us of this ancient tale. The cosmic serpent. In Australian Aboriginal mythology, the Milky Way is often depicted as a great serpent winding its way across the sky. Some legends describe the serpent's coils, creating swirling patterns in the stars, much like the spiral arms of the Whirlpool galaxy. The Hindu chakra in Hinduism, the universe is sometimes represented as a spinning wheel or the Whirlpool galaxy's spiral shape could be seen as a cosmic chakra, symbolizing the endless cycle of creation and destruction. Ancient texts and the Whirlpool galaxy. While the Whirlpool galaxy wasn't officially discovered until the 18th century, some ancient texts and star maps might have hinted at its existence. For example, the Almagest, written by the ancient Greek astronomer Ptolemy. This text catalogued over 1,000 stars and constellations. While it doesn't mention the Whirlpool galaxy directly, some historians wonder if its faint glow might have been seen by ancient medieval star charts. During the Middle Ages, Arab astronomers created detailed star maps. Some of these maps show faint, fuzzy objects in the sky that could have been distant galaxies like the Whirlpool. Scientific discoveries about the Whirlpool galaxy, modern telescopes, such as the Hubble Space Telescope, have allowed scientists to study the Whirlpool galaxy in incredible detail. Here are some of the most exciting discoveries. Supermassive black hole. At the center of the Whirlpool galaxy lies a supermassive black hole, millions of times more massive than our Sun. This black hole pulls in gas and dust, creating powerful energy bursts that light up the galaxy's core. Star formation. The spiral arms of the Whirlpool galaxy are like cosmic nerves. Where new stars are born, bright pink and blue regions in the arms are areas where young, hot stars are forming. These regions are called H2 regions, and they are filled with ionized hydrogen gas. Galactic collisions. The Whirlpool galaxy and its companion, Lima, are slowly interacting with each other. Their gravitational pull is creating waves of gas and dust, triggering even more star formation. In billions of years, they might even merge into one giant galaxy. Exoplanets. Scientists are searching for planets outside our solar system, called exoplanets, in the Whirlpool galaxy. While none have been found yet, the galaxy's billions of stars make it a promising place to look. Dark matter. Like all galaxies, the Whirlpool galaxy is surrounded by a halo of dark matter, an invisible substance that makes up most of the universe's mass. Dark matter's gravitational pull helps hold the galaxy together. Fun facts about the Whirlpool galaxy. The Whirlpool galaxy is one of the brightest galaxies in the sky. With an apparent magnitude of 8.4, it was one of the first galaxies to have its spiral structure photographed. The Whirlpool galaxy is part of a small group of galaxies called the M51 group, which includes several smaller galaxies. In 2005, a supernova was observed in the Whirlpool galaxy, providing valuable data for astronomers. What can we learn from the Whirlpool galaxy? The Whirlpool galaxy teaches us about the beauty and complexity of the universe. It shows us how galaxies form, evolve, and interact with each other. By studying galaxies like the Whirlpool, scientists can learn more about the history of the universe, the nature of dark matter, and the processes that drive star formation. A cosmic adventure awaits. The Whirlpool galaxy is more than just a swirl of stars. It is a window into the mysteries of the cosmos. From ancient myths to cutting-edge science, it reminds us that the universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember the Whirlpool galaxy spinning millions of light-years away, and let your imagination soar among the stars. Happy exploring, young astronomers!